Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one book or article you actually want to finish, not what looks impressive. Once chosen, make a small, inviting space with a light and a comfortable chair. You will sit there. Set a timer for 10-25 minutes to remove the intimidation of long sessions and keep a pen and sticky note to mark thoughts. This first step trains your brain to focus. Make sure to silence distractions. You will build momentum quickly if you start now. You now move into detailed execution. Read with active questions, ask what the author wants you to learn and why it matters. Once done with a section, summarize one line on a sticky note. This cements memory. Rotate reading speed. One slow paragraph to absorb, then a faster page to maintain flow, and take a 1-minute break between cycles. Make sparing annotations, underline a phrase, write a single-line reaction. So you complete the session by writing a 2-sentence summary and picking one practical action to try this week. This transforms reading into doing. If you get stuck, troubleshoot. Switch formats, try audio, a shorter essay, or a graphic adaptation, because format change reduces resistance. Make sure to log small wins, minutes read, pages covered, and a single takeaway each day. Over time, these habits make reading feel rewarding, not like a chore, and your taste will broaden naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.